Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate the grid method. First, you will draw a grid based on the number of digits in your factors. For example, for a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, you will create a 2 by 2 grid. Then, you will write each number in expanded form across the top and down the side of your grid. This sets up the problem for easy calculation. Now let's set up our grid. Take your first number, say 34, and break it into 30 and 4. Write these above the columns. For your second number, perhaps 27, break it into 20 and 7. Write these along the rows. This creates 4 smaller multiplication problems within your grid, making the overall calculation much simpler to manage. With your grid set up, it's time to multiply. For each cell, multiply the number at the top of its column by the number at the start of its row. If you have 30 times 20, that's 600. If you have 4 times 7, that's 28. Fill all 4 cells with their correct partial products. This step is crucial for breaking down the larger problem. Finally, gather all the partial products you calculated within your grid. Add these 4 numbers together carefully. For example, if your partial products were 600, 80, 140, and 28, you would add them up. The sum of these numbers, which would be 848, gives you the complete and accurate answer to your original multiplication problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.